Have you ever wondered how to make money online in just 24 hours? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. The world of digital commerce offers a plethora of opportunities to earn money. It's not just about the convenience of working from your couch or the flexibility of setting your own hours. It's also about the potential to earn beyond what traditional 9-to-5 jobs offer. Imagine the freedom of being your own boss, working around your schedule, and making money even while you sleep. That's the power of online money making. And the best part? It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned professional or a complete beginner, there's something for everyone in the digital marketplace. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or you're after a whole new career, the online world is a treasure trove of opportunities just waiting to be discovered. Making money online in 24 hours is achievable, and today you're going to discover how. To make money online, you don't need to wait for weeks or months. Yes, you heard that right. The digital world is a treasure trove of opportunities where anyone with a skill, a product, or just the right idea can start earning money within 24 hours. Let's break down this idea and explore some of these avenues. First off, we have freelance work, a broad category that includes anything from writing and graphic design to programming and consulting. If you have a skill that can be delivered online, there's a market for it. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are bustling with clients looking for your expertise right now. Next up, selling products or services. Are you a master at creating handmade jewelry? Or maybe you're a fitness enthusiast who can offer personalized training plans. E-commerce platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon, or even your own website can be the perfect storefront for your products or services. Then there's affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's as simple as signing up for an affiliate program, getting your unique affiliate link, and sharing it on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms. Online tutoring is another excellent way to make money online. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can share that knowledge with others and get paid for it. Websites like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com are always looking for tutors in various subjects. These are just a few examples. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, you can start earning money in less than a day. It's all about finding what works for you, putting in the effort, and reaping the rewards. Remember, with the right strategy, you could be earning money online in no time. So, let's move on to the next step, where we'll talk about identifying your skills or products. Stay tuned. The first step in making money online is identifying your skills or the products you can sell. This is the foundation upon which your online money-making venture will be built. It's about understanding what you bring to the table and how you can leverage that to generate income on the internet. Imagine you're an artist. Your skill is creating beautiful works of art. You could sell your artwork online, or perhaps offer custom commissions. Or maybe you're a writer. You could sell your short stories, offer freelance writing services, or even start a blog and monetize it through advertising. If you're a whiz in the kitchen, you could sell your homemade jams and jellies, or create an online cooking course. If you're skilled at graphic design, you could offer your services to businesses looking to improve their branding. Even skills you might not immediately consider can be monetized online. Are you organized and efficient? Consider offering virtual assistant services. Do you love playing video games? Try streaming on a platform like Twitch or creating gaming guides and selling them online. And what about products? Well, the possibilities are just as vast. Maybe you create handmade jewelry, or you've developed a line of organic skincare products. Perhaps you have a collection of vintage clothing you're ready to part with, or you've written an ebook. Remember, the key is to identify what you're good at or what you have that others might want. This could be a skill, a product, or even a combination of both. And don't worry if you're not an expert yet. The beauty of the online world is that there's a market for all levels of expertise. You can start small, and as you gain experience and confidence, you can expand your offerings and increase your rates. So, take some time to really think about what you can offer. Write it down. Make a list. This is the first step on your journey to making money online. Once you've identified your skills or products, you're ready for the next step. Finding the right platform is crucial in your online money-making journey. Imagine you're a painter. You wouldn't showcase your art in a bakery, would you? Similarly, if you're a baker, you wouldn't sell your pastries in an art gallery. The same principle applies online. You need to find the platform that suits your skills or product best. Let's delve into some of the platforms available. If you've got a knack for crafting handmade items, platforms like Etsy can be your canvas. Etsy is a marketplace dedicated to unique, handcrafted items, making it an ideal platform for artisans. On the other hand, if you're a wordsmith, platforms like Medium or WordPress could be your stage. These platforms are designed for writers and bloggers, offering a space where your words can shine. For those of you with a talent for teaching, platforms like Udemy or Coursera can be your virtual classroom. These online learning platforms allow you to share your knowledge with eager learners across the globe. And let's not forget about those with business acumen. If you've got a product to sell, platforms like Amazon or eBay can be your marketplace. These platforms have a vast customer base, making them perfect for those looking to sell products on a large scale. Remember, the platform you choose should align with your skills or product and cater to your target audience. Choosing the right platform can significantly boost your chances of making money online. Once you've found the right platform, it's time to market yourself or your product. Now, this is where the magic really happens. The key to making money online quickly is not just having a great product or service, but also being able to get it in front of the right people. And that's where marketing comes in. Think of marketing as your megaphone, your beacon in the digital world. It's what gets your voice heard and your product seen. Without it, even the best product or service could go unnoticed. So how do you go about marketing yourself or your product? One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is social media. It's a rich playground where you can interact with your audience, build relationships, and foster trust. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter allow you to share engaging content, run promotions, and even directly sell your products or services. But don't stop there. Email marketing is another potent tool. By building an email list, you can communicate directly with your audience, share exclusive offers, and keep them engaged with regular updates. It's a personal and effective way to nurture relationships with your audience and keep them coming back for more. Then there's content marketing, which is all about creating and sharing valuable content that attracts and engages your target audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, podcasts, or infographics, content marketing helps you establish yourself as an authority in your field, builds trust with your audience, and drives traffic to your platform. Remember though, it's not about using all these strategies at once, but rather choosing the ones that best suit your product, service, or personal brand, and doing them well. It's about understanding your audience, their needs, their desires, and how your product or service can fulfill these. In the end, a strong marketing strategy isn't just about selling a product or service. It's about building relationships, establishing trust, and creating value. And when you do that, you're not just making money online, you're making a difference. A strong marketing strategy could be your ticket to making money online in 24 hours. Making money online in 24 hours isn't a pipe dream, it's a reality for many people. We've journeyed together through the steps to making this a reality for you. Let's revisit what we've learned. First, we discovered the importance of identifying your skills or products. This is the foundation of your online venture. Whether you're a talented graphic designer or an ambitious entrepreneur with a unique product, your skills and offerings are your ticket to success. Next, we explored how to find the right platform. The internet is vast and full of opportunities, but it's crucial to find a space that is the right fit for what you're offering. This could be a freelancing website, an online marketplace, or your own website. Then, we delved into the art of marketing yourself or your product. Remember, it's not just about having a great product or service, it's about making sure people know about it. Harnessing the power of social media, search engine optimization, and other digital marketing strategies can make a world of difference. But remember, none of this matters if you don't take action. The journey to making money online starts with a single step. So don't just dream about it, make it happen. So why wait? Start your online money-making journey today and see the results in just 24 hours.